Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson here today. We're going to be doing a video called editing multiple accounts on VMware. We're going to go down here. I already have VMware open, so we're going to open it up. And we're on Windows Server 2008. So our objective is to create users and change attributes on several accounts simultaneously. Our description is you need to change some attributes on several users in your sales OU. So you decide to use the properties for multiple items dialog box to make this task easier. So step 1, if necessary, you would log onto your server as administrator and open Active Directory users and computers, which we've already done. Then step 2 is going to be to click to expand the marketing OU if necessary, and then click the sales OU. So we're going to go down here to start, administrative tools, and we're going to go into the Active Directories users and computers. Okay, let that open up. And then we're going to go and we're going to create two. We're going to click to expand the marketing OU. So on the side right here, we got the marketing OU expanded now, if necessary. And then we're going to click sales OU. So right here on the side, click sales. Well, if we can get in there, there we go. Now we're in the sales OU. Step 3, we're going to create 2 user accounts by using the sales template account. So the accounts should have the first and last name salesperson 2 and salesperson 3, and logon names salesperson 2 and salesperson 3. So we got to create 2 user accounts real quick. So since we haven't done that, we're going to create those. Alright, so we're going to go up here, we're going to click this create a new user in the current container. So we're going to click that, and we're going to put the first and last names. So the account should have the first and last names salesperson 2 and salesperson 3. So we're going to go sales person 2 and salesperson 3, and logon name salesperson 2 and salesperson 3. So user logon name will be salesperson 2, and the password let's see here, am I in the right one? Yes, we are. Okay, let's go back, make sure we okay, salesperson 2, okay, first and last names, and the last name will be sales person 2 as well. So now we got that, and we got the salesperson 2 for user logon name. Now the password will be password 1, well, capital P. Password 01 will be the password, and we're gonna make sure the account is disabled checkbox is selected. Account is disabled checkbox is selected. We got that. And we're going to click to clear the user must change password at next login checkbox is selected. Make sure, okay, that one is selected, so they don't have to change their passwords every time they log in or next time they log in. So now we're going to click next to finish each account. First we got to confirm the password. P password 01. Okay. Next. Then we get this up, and so once that's done, we're gonna go, okay, this is how we want it. Alright, salesperson 2, salesperson 2. Alright, this is disabled. Alright, we got salesperson right here. Now we're gonna go up here, we're gonna do the same, we're gonna create another one, except it's gonna be salesperson 2. Or I mean salesperson 3. Salesperson 3. So sales person 3. Alright, user logon name will be sales person 3. Alright, we're going to go next. We're going to make sure the top and bottom box account is disabled and user must change password next login box is checked. Password is same as last time, capital P. Password 01, capital P, password 01. We're going to go next. and then finish, and we're going to create, we got 2 accounts now. We're going to create another one. We're going to go sales person 1. This one's just on my own interest to create. Sales person 1, and then of course it'll be salesperson 1 for the logon name, and then we're going to check the account is disabled so they don't got to change their password, and we got to change, account is disabled so they can, can't use it. Account is disabled so they can't use it, yes. And then user, set this so they must change, so they don't have to check the box, so they don't have to change their password at next login. Password 01. Well, I wasn't finished. Whoops. Password 01. Password 01. Alright, next. Alright, now we got our 3 salespersons in there. Now in Active Directory users and computers, we're going to click salesperson 1 and then hold down shift and click salesperson 3 and then release shift. So we're going to click salesperson 1. So salesperson 1, and then we're going to hold down shift to highlight all of them and click salesperson 3. Now you see they're all highlighted, so that way you don't have to do it one by one when you do this. And we'll release shift now. Got them all highlighted, and we're going to click action properties. So we're going to go find up here. We're going to click, see here, we're going to click action right there. Alright, and then we're going to go down into the properties tab and click properties. Now it pulls all properties for multiple items because we have selected all 3 accounts. All 3 user accounts are selected. Now we're going to, step 5 is we're going to click the description checkbox. So we click this description checkbox, okay, and then we're going to type cool gadgets salesperson. So we're going to go cool well, we're not typing, I guess. Cool gadgets sales person. Okay, typed in cool gadget salesperson in the box. Then we're going to click the web page. So right here, click the web page, and we're going to type in www.coolgadgets.com. coolgadgets.com, which is these 3 people are all the same counts. They all got the same abilities, and they all do the same jobs in their business. So the description of the person that's working here is cool gadget salesperson. That's the description of that person and what their job is, what they do. And the web page is your web address for that part of the business, and that's that person's. They all have the same web address, but they can all connect off of that through people who want to buy their stuff. So now we got that. We're going to click the account tab. Okay, up top, we click account tab. Well, better apply these. Okay, we applied. Now we click account tab. And we're going to scroll down in the account options and list box and click to clear the account is disabled checkbox. So we're going to scroll down. We're going to click the account. Okay, we got that. We're going to click account. We're going to click to clear the account is disabled checkbox and apply. Okay, we apply that. Alright. Well, did it apply? Alright. See here. Account is disabled. Okay. That one's cleared now. Now we applied that. Now we're going to click the address and profile tabs. So we got the address tab up here, and we got the profile tab. We're going to start on the address tab, and we're going to see which attributes you could change. So right here, notice on the address tab, we can click this, and we could change the street where they work. We can change the PO box. That's all you can change on the address tab, pretty much everything. And the profile, notice down here we can't change the path, the home folder. Local path is where it stays. We can't do connect to and go to this path, but we can change user profile path and logon script under the profile tab. We can change that. They have those privileges. So now we're going to click on the organization tab up here. We click the organization tab. We're going to click the job title checkbox. So job title, okay. And we're going to type in sales associate, which is what this person's job is. So sales associate, we got that typed in, and we're going to click, let's see here, it says in the next box, in text box, and we're going to click OK. So we clicked OK. Now all three of these people, their job title is a sales associate. Like I mentioned earlier, that's their job. This is their part of the business, what we're setting up. Now we're going to open the properties dialog box for each salesperson user to verify that the changes were made for all. When you're finished, we're going to click OK to close them. So we're going to go in here. We're done now. We're going to go into the box. Okay, salesperson 1, salesperson 1. Display name, salesperson 1, salesperson 1. That's right. Description, cool gadget salesperson. That's correct. Their web page, coolgadgets.com. That's correct. The address, we didn't put nothing in there. The account, salesperson 1. User must change password on next login. That's checked. Okay, profile. That's right. We didn't change nothing there. Organization, sales associate. Okay, so that guy's right. Check this guy. Web page is correct. Names, all that. Didn't change the address. The account, user must check. The profile, no, didn't change that in there. Organization, yeah, sales associate. So that's correct. And the last guy, salesperson 3, salesperson 3, display name is salesperson 3, description is cool gadget salesperson, and he has his web page there. Didn't change the address. The account, user logon name, salesperson 3 with no capitals. User must change password, next login is checked. Okay. Profile, we didn't change user profile. And sales organization, sales associate. Alright, that's all correct. And that's all I have for you on this video of editing multiple accounts in using VMware and the Windows Server 2008. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy your evening, and I hope you learned a little bit something. Bye.